In this video, we will be utilizing our knowledge of consecutive parts to define an operation of replacement. Let's take our formula from the previous video, not P and Q implies R. Notice that not P is a consecutive part. Call it A. And let's say we had another formula, B, and let's say B was equal to not Q. We can then replace A with B to create a new formula, which in this case is not Q and Q implies R. More generally, if we have a formula CA, which contains a formula A as a consecutive part, and we replace A with B in CA, we then create the new formula CB. We can visualize this in tree structures as well. Say we draw our original formula as a tree. If we then replace A with B, we obtain a new tree for a new formula. So now that we have a familiarity with replacement, try to come up with a theorem for it. Keep in mind validity and not just truth values.